pipeline is an engine room. So basically you need to know how to trace a line. So if you know the logic how to trace, then it will be easy for you to trace the whatever system you want to do the tracing. So today I would like to give you some information about how to trace a seawater line. So always whenever you want to start any line tracing, start from the suction side of any pump. Like if you are going for a seawater system, then you start from the pump suction side. So you can just keep on grabbing the pipeline and you can easily trace the line. So now I will try to show you how to read the seawater line with the drawing. And okay. So this is the cooling seawater line. This is cooling seawater line of the ship. So if it is seawater, definitely this seawater will be supplied to all the pipeline with the help of a pump. So as I said earlier, always whenever you want to do the line tracing, start from the suction side of the pump. So here is the pump, you can see here, number 1, number 2, number 3. 3 pumps are there, and I go from the suction side. So suction side, if you see here, one will be the filter valve, and from where it is taking from the sea chest. So sea chest, this you call it as the sea chest line. So one will be low sea chest, the other will be high sea chest. So later I will tell you how to what are the difference between low sea chest and high sea chest and when we need to use that. So now, so this is where the seawater pump start taking the suction. So this line, and after this line, for each and every pump, you can see number 1, number 2, number 3 pump. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 valves. After that will be a filter, and after that is the pump. And this pump will be having 2 pressure gauge. One is pressure gauge and other is compound gauge. And this filter you will be having a vent. This is the symbol for vent. And this is all valve number, and this is the line number, and this is the pump number, and then the pump discharge. So first we go for, from here pump is discharging to 2 sides. So first I will take this side. From here the pump goes, the line goes, and it takes, you always follow the arrow mark. This arrow mark will show 2. So it goes away and it continues here. It continues here, and then it goes to a lube oil cooler, turbo generator lube oil cooler. You can see here, turbo generator lube oil cooler inlet. And one line is going to turbo generator condenser inlet. Okay, so one more line is going, and that is going to turbo generator vacuum pump inlet. So 3 lines. So this line is finished, and next we go for the other section. So again this is continuing, one line, again you find a tapping over here, and I go for the tapping, and this tapping goes and it is going to freshwater generator. So this is inlet for freshwater generator. So this tapping is done, and again one more tapping is going towards this side, and I go tapping, and one tapping is going to MGPS, Marine Growth Protection System. So it is going here, and one more tapping is here, and this tapping is going to LT cooler. This is the common cooler. You can say it as क्या system है इसका नाम? This goes to LT cooler. So one line is going to number 1 LT cooler, and other tapping is going to number 2 LT cooler. Now we see all the inlet line, and you can see the exit line, all the outlet line. So this is the inlet and this is the outlet. So you can see the outlet for here also, outlet and outlet, is going to overboard. This symbol you call it as overboard. And again for the other systems, first system, the lube oil cooler outlet, it comes, turbo generator condenser outlet, it comes here, it goes to overboard here. And this TG vacuum condenser pump, that is also connected to overboard. And freshwater generator here, this outlet is connected to, you can see, and it is connected to overboard. This symbol you call it as overboard symbol. So that's all. So this is how you need to trace a pipeline with the help of drawing. Always start from the suction side of the pump, so that it will be easy for you to continue. First go for the inlet line, just follow the arrow, which goes upward arrow always show the inlet, and return line you can see the difference between the arrows in and out, you can easily make out. So this is how you need to trace a seawater line. I believe this video must be giving you some information about how to trace a cooling seawater line on board ship. The same way you have to do the tracing for other system also. My next video I will show you how to trace a LT cooling water pipeline tracing. Thanks for watching.